Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you one of my new favorite recipes because this was honestly so delicious. I love sweet potato, so there was only a very small chance that I wouldn't love it, but I definitely did. You want to start out by peeling the sweet potato and then cutting it into very small pieces. Then you want to put it in a pan and you want to add some water and some salt to that. Give it a quick mix and then let that boil for 8 minutes. And the exact measurements are down below as always. Then you want to go ahead and cut down your zucchini again into small bits. And last but not least, you want to cut down the smoked tofu. I actually found a new favorite brand with this. It's so delicious. So this one I do cut a little bit bigger, but depending on how you like it, you can cut it into smaller pieces as well. When the 8 minutes are up, you want to take off the lid and then dump in the zucchini and the tofu. Then you also want to add the crème fraîche and the smoked paprika powder, and you want to give that a very good mix until it is combined completely, and then put the lid back on and let that simmer for 5 more minutes. Then again you can take off the lid and then you want to just add the vinegar to that, and I added a little bit more salt and some pepper, and again give it a very good mix, and you can make sure that it tastes good to you. Maybe you want to add some more salt or something like that, and then you're done and you're ready to enjoy. And this was so easy and so absolutely delicious. I really liked the sauce. I hope you give it a try, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.